In this video, I'll show you how to use KiCAD's multi-channel design features to create this layout. A triple output power supply based on the TPS 65261. As you can see, each output channel is nearly identical, and using multi-channel design lets us replicate the layout of these power stages quickly and consistently, without the need to manually place and route each one. This approach is especially useful for designs with repeated circuitry such as multi-rail power supplies, amplifier arrays, or sensor front ends, where each channel shares the same structure but different connections. Here I've placed a TPS 65261. It provides 3 separate buck regulators, each output stage having its own inductor, feedback network, and output capacitors, but the circuitry is largely identical. As you can see, I've grouped all components for each channel in a rule area, and I've labeled each rule area with a directive label, which is going to label each rule area. I've created 3 separate component classes for the 1.2 volt power. So I've got my input decoupling capacitor, my output stage, and I've got the comparator circuitry. In the board editor, you can see that I've now placed and routed one channel here, the 1.2 volt channel. KiCAD can automatically generate placement rule areas by selecting Tools, Multi-Channel, Generate Placement Rule Areas. We'll go to Component Classes, and we'll select all of the component classes. Then select OK. And you can see the placement rule areas have been automatically generated. This one hasn't quite got this top trace, so we'll just manually edit the placement rule area. That's pretty good. Now, with the rule areas created, we can go back to Tools, Multi-Channel, and repeat Layout. And because we had the reference rule area being 1.2 volts selected, it's automatically generated the reference rule area as that 1.2 volt channel. We'll verify the auto placement areas being the 2.5 volt and the 3.3 volt channels. We can then select copy footprint placement, so that's all footprints will be copied. We'll copy the routing, and we'll copy any other items, so that's going to be things like the zones. Then select OK. Again, you can see KiCAD has automatically applied the same placement that was used in the 1.2 volt channel to our reference channels. Thanks for watching. If you haven't tried component classes in KiCAD yet, they're a great way to bring professional level efficiency to your PCB workflow.